Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to lean the family. Credit cards.
Hey guys, this is me, Fairy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking out. I'm excited. My bones are cracking already. Like they're so excited as well. So I'm gonna be taking out Ateez song Fireworks. Fireworks, I'm the one. Wait, what? I mean, like, where is it? Exactly the title here. It's kind of a unique title over there. Is it Fireworks or I'm the one? Anyway, like, I don't know. Fireworks, I'm the one. So let's just get started. I don't have to waste too much time. I'm talking a lot. I'm just excited. Overexcited. Ateez. I don't know why, but I think I've said this before. I really love Ateez. I really love their songs. They're like really amazing, but still I cannot memorize their names and things like that. I just like do listen to some songs I really like from the songs I've reacted to and stuff, or something like that my niece showed me, but I still cannot memorize the names, guys. Like, just like don't mind that. I would just enjoy the video. Fireworks. Oh my god, look at the outfit. Look at the place. I'm the one. I'm the one. In my zone. Oh, I love what he's wearing. I don't know. Wait. First of all, what word is this? First of all, like, okay, you showing me some abs. Okay, I can see your belly button there, like it's there. Like, look at that, it's so cute. But like, okay, he's rocking that hair color, dude. And with this kind of dance, so slow-mo. I mean the slow kind of dance, like, just look at that, it's so clean. Oh, he's so handsome though. Oh. Share what you post. Okay. Oh, please, like, sorry, I have to stop you right there. But look at this outfit. Why are you showing me ass? Oh my gosh. Oh! Okay, wait, it sounds like, I'm sorry, I'm pausing a lot, but it sounds like 3 different songs already. Like, I don't know, but like the shift from, like, wait, like, that's crazy. I really love this. Oh, I was about to ask you what is the meaning of bulnari. Yeah, and it feels like it's probably fireworks, because I know that bul in Korean is fire. So I think bulnari means fireworks. Please, I'm not really sure. I'm just like guessing. Hey, the dance though is crazy. I love this part though. What's going on? Oh, I love this part. You see, like, the shit from like that height, crazy chorus part to this. It's amazing. Boy, you look so handsome. That guy though, what's his name? I love the dance. Shoo. Oh, you put in a tree on fire. Why? Is that a real tree though? I love this. Look at that. It's crazy. Oh wait, shoo. What was that? That's crazy. That red. Oh my gosh. You're showing me ass, please. Oh. Oh my gosh, I really love this song. This song is something like I would really listen to, especially like driving. Oh, hi. What's on your head? Oh, that's crazy. What is that? Oh, there's like another part, so you're like releasing another song for this? Wait, what? Like, I don't understand these kind of things. Please explain for me, please. Anyway, the song is fire. Okay, I really love it so much, and like it makes me feel like I need to like start jumping as well. Like the the dance parts, the dance choreography is really amazing as well. I really like it. They are awesome. I don't know like their names. Like, I'm sorry about that, but like these guys can dance and they can sing, and they're like really handsome as well. I really loved everything about this video. Why I'm talking like this, I have no idea. Like, guys, I just skipped this. Okay, so as I said, like from the first part when they started singing to the chorus part, it sounds like 2-3 different songs, and that's crazy. I really love it. The chorus part is just like crazy. I really love that. It's like a really amazing. Okay, so yeah, I really enjoyed watching this. Hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you guys soon. Bye bye.